Introducing the Bluetooth headphones, Anker SoundBuds Slim Wireless Headphones. These headphones are designed for the active individual, with an array of features that make them perfect for workouts, sports, running, and the gym. Featuring precision-engineered 6mm drivers, these headphones deliver powerful and skip-free audio, thanks to Bluetooth 5 technology. You can enjoy your favorite music without any interruptions. The lightweight design of the SoundBuds Slim ensures a comfortable and secure fit for anyone. With customizable ear tips and ear wings, you can find your perfect fit. No more worries about your headphones falling out while exercising. One of the standout features of the SoundBuds Slim is their impressive playtime. With up to 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, these headphones will last all day. Whether you're at the gym or on a long run, they have enough juice to keep you going. Not only are these headphones designed for performance, but they are also built to withstand the elements. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, they offer superior protection against rain, sweat, and water. You can push yourself to the limit without worrying about damaging your headphones. What's in the box? The SoundBuds Slim comes with everything you need for a seamless experience. It includes XS, S, M, L ear tips, S, M, L ear wings, fit clip, shirt clip, micro USB cable, travel pouch, welcome guide, and our worry-free 18-month warranty. We've got you covered. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. With the SoundBuds Slim, you get high-fidelity audio, a customizable fit, long playtime, and IPX7 waterproof protection. Experience the ultimate wireless headphone for your active lifestyle. Order yours today using the link in the description.